morning. Here is the manifest for the bauxite.
Thank you. Everything appears correct. You may proceed.
Keep an eye on the feed rate. Looks clear down here. Send the next load.
Okay, I have the sample secured.
Looks like a high quality batch, very fine texture.
The thermal reading here is stable.
Cross-reference with the flow rate on the tablet.
Check the readout on line 3. We are at 20 millimeters.
Acknowledged. Maintaining pressure.
Precision alignment is critical here. How does it look?
Perfect alignment, boss. We are good to go.
Because aluminum is difficult to spot weld, Ford uses SPRs. Massive C-clamp robots punch thousands.
The scan shows the door openings are within the 0.1 millimeter tolerance.
Confirmed. The windshield geometry is mathematically perfect.
On a parallel line, the cargo bed is constructed. Robots apply adhesive and rivets to the high-strength extruded.
Unlike a standard F-150, the Lightning bed has Pro Power onboard. Workers install the specialized internal brackets and grounding points.
Check the gap on the lower right.
Looks flush to me. Let's send it.
The body is submerged in a charged gray primer bath. 400 volts of electricity run through the tank. Magnetic.
A massive roller made of real female ostrich feathers naturally holds an electrostatic charge that lifts the tiniest speck of dust from the surface before painting.
Applying the Antimatter Blue base coat.
There's a slight distortion here. Let me buff that out. Much better. Much. Clear for transport.
Terra. Robotic wands insert into the hidden hollows of the aluminum rocker panels and doors. They spray hot cavity wax that coats the...
The robots apply a thick pattern of blue thermal paste, or TM, onto the cooling plate. This specialized goo
We're installing the regenerative brake rotors. These work in tandem with the motors, capturing energy to recharge the battery when stopping.
Okay, bring it forward slowly. Looks aligned on this side. Push up.
The massive 15.5-inch vertical touchscreen is mounted, connecting the brain of the Sync 4A system to...
Alignment check, station 4, looking good.
Confirmed. We have synchronization.
Marriage complete.
Okay, bringing it down slowly. Watch the pins. Pins aligned.
Set it down.
Securing the body to frame bolts. Massive automated nut runners spin 10 heavy-duty bolts simultaneously. Structural integration complete. Bolted together forever.
Keep it steady, watching the clearance.
It's seated. Securing the bolts now.
Okay, plugging in the harness.
The signature smooth diamond grille, which doesn't need air vents like a gas truck, is snapped onto the front. This improves aerodynamics.
Ah, much better. Perfect ride height.
The vertical cutoff looks good on the passenger side. Radar alignment is spot on. We're ready for the dyno.
Pro power system engaged.
Holding steady at 9.6 kilowatts. System verified. Activating transport mode.
The manufacturing journey is done. The distribution journey begins.
Your truck travels hundreds of miles to meet you.
All right, ramps are set. The Silver Lightning is ready to roll.
Thank you. We'll take it from here.
There she is, the Diamond Lightning Edition, just for you.
It's perfect. The metallic flake is unbelievable.
Wow, a mega Power Frunk. Look at all that room. I can't believe my backpack fits.
Wow, that torque is unbelievable. And it's completely silent.
The dual motors make all the difference.
Perfect. Thank you. Goodbye.